So the moral of this story this morning is don't trust the weather report because it wasn't supposed to rain until later. So of course, no rain jacket. But I'm out here fishing in the middle of nowhere. And the awesome thing about this fishery, it's pretty cool. It's a river, but it also fishes like it's still water. So I just caught a couple fish on a chironomid underneath the squalla. And it's just kind of a real slow meandering river. It speeds up in places, slows down in others, but big brown trout are lurking in these waters. So that's what we're going for today. So thanks for joining me, and let's go catch some brown trout. All right, let's do this. Fish on. There it is. Ate the chironomid. It's a nice fish. I'm not paying attention, looking around. I look back and there's no more dry fly. It's a good fish. I'm just using a little small black snow cone chironomid. Saw a couple of casings, on the water yesterday. Oh, jeez. Nice fish. Nice. I'm gonna swing this monster Sculpzilla. Start with an upstream cast. Jeez, that's just a huge stop. I just had a big fish just slam the streamer twice, and both times it ripped it out of my hand. So I couldn't set it, There it was again, and he fucking ripped it out of my fingers. He pulls so hard, it pulls it out of my index finger. Oh my God. All right, I'm closing my index finger around the line. There we go. This time I didn't lose the handle on it. Oh, he fell off. Oh, God. Oh, my God. How do they keep coming undone? That was another good fish. I don't know how they keep cutting unbuttoned. There we go. Whoa, wow. Thank you, sir, for the fly recommendation. Spunky fish. Oh, good fish. Spots on this guy are really pretty. Look at that guy. Nice. I didn't find a stick like that. Look at that. That stick. The line just finds a way. There's a fish rising right there. Let's see if I can catch him with a streamer. There it is. I got him. He came back for it. Oh, this is a big fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. This fish. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's all 18. Oh, wow. I'll let you go. Sweet. I got that guy that was in there.